Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today, nandito po tayo sa bukod. Ito sa bukod po, kung saan nakisali po kami ng youth, ng musical, pero after lunch po muna yun. So for today, yan, kasama ko po ang aking best friend na si Floreline Lomares, at kami po ay muna ay magte-tree planting. Oy, where is your t-shirt? Yung t-shirt mo, ipakita mo. And kasi yung iba din, yung seniors dito is may meeting sila doon sa gym. Kung saan din doon kami pupunta mamaya ng youth ng musical. So, yan. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. So nandito na kami sa pagpaplanting namin, and that is Amuklo, the part of Amuklo. Wait, yun yung farm nila. And then ito yung makasama namin. Yan po yung mga foods namin, snacks namin. And yan, buti at nakayanan ko, because sometimes I hate hiking, but we need to do it because that's how you learn in adventure. And you can explore through the nature and be inspired with God's creations. And yan, ito po yung magtataniman namin. Mag-rest muna kami. And yan, kasi yung dinaanan namin kanina talagang pataas, tapos medyo masikip pa, pero yun, kaya natin to. Yay for yan yung mga kasama natin. And kami lang po ng friend ko na teenager na talagang young in young, kasi ako po my age is 13 years old, at yung friend ko is 14 years old. Mag 14 lang po ako ngayong October, pero hindi pa naman. So yan, let's think about the bright side rather than the negative side, kung bakit tayo nag-hike at kung bakit tayo compute ng tree planting. So, see you guys later again for another video. Tignan natin kung ma-video ko ang tanawin namin, o kung mag-planting muna kami. And actually, mas maganda dito ang fresh air kasi maganda din yung nature natin, mga magagandang places. So that's it, guys. I'll come back later, soon. Let's see kung makaka-video na ako. And goodbye. And pataas po lang po kami. Yung binidyo ko po kanina is sa baba pa lang ngayon, at unti-unti po namin napaplant na yung mga halaman namin. And this is very very interesting kasi as for me, hindi ako hike ever, pero nung may pinuntahan kami ng mga barkada ko na para mag-swimming kasi lake po yun. Ayos. Kaya ganun. So it's like it's my third time na mag-hike, pero this is ito yung mas na-enjoy ko kasi doon sa first and second na experience ko, kasi yung first okay lang, pero of course meron tayong mga na-experience na pagod, tapos hydration, hindi ako dehydrate nung first, and then second is nung pataas na pataas kasi yung pagbalik namin doon. And then doon ako napagod talaga, kaya ganun. Pero for this day at least, na after those two na pagsubok na mag-hike, na try ko, third time is a charm. So yan, don't give up. Kaya yun, let's enjoy muna and relax muna kasi I'm enjoying this and I'm enjoying the look of the mga mountains and fresh air natin. So mamaya na lang ulit at dun pa sa tingin ko, pero yan, goodbye. Tumaas lang muna kami and paubos na yung mga tanim namin, and then yun, napaplant na siya, and this is the view of Ambuklaw.